If your GMC Acadia refuses to start, don't panic, as it is often a simple electrical issue. Data shows that 70% of no-start conditions in these SUVs are linked to basic electrical failures. Let us break down the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Always prioritize safety by securing the vehicle and checking the battery connections for any signs of corrosion. The most common culprit is a dead battery, especially if it is over 4 years old. Listen for a single loud click when you turn the key, which often points to a failing starter motor. You can tackle terminal cleaning or a jump start at home, but internal engine or ECU issues require a professional. This chart illustrates the average cost difference between replacing a simple battery versus a complex starter or alternator. If basic checks fail, use an OBD-I scanner to look for hidden error codes. Keep a basic multimeter and a wire brush in your kit to handle these diagnostic steps effectively. Remember, if the engine refuses to turn over, stop trying to crank it to avoid further mechanical damage. Thanks for watching this guide, and be sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips for your GMC Acadia.